Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Spino E1 robotic pool cleaner. I have looked through the internet and real-world robotic pool cleaner expectations to understand whether this is worth buying or not, and who this is really made for. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The model we are talking about here is the Spino E1 robotic pool cleaner, and the first thing that stands out is its impressive cleaning capability. Equipped with a powerful brushless suction system and multiple drive motors, this cleaner is built to tackle dirt, sand, leaves, algae buildup, and other common debris found in both in-ground and above-ground pools. In real-world usage, this means less manual vacuuming and a consistently cleaner pool with minimal effort. One of the biggest highlights is the exceptional battery performance. With up to 210 minutes of runtime, the Spino E1 offers significantly longer operation than many entry-level robotic cleaners. In practical terms, this allows it to clean larger pools more effectively in a single cycle without needing frequent recharging. For homeowners with larger pool areas, this is a major advantage. Unlike basic robotic cleaners that focus only on the floor, the Spino E1 is designed for floor, wall, and waterline cleaning. In real-world usage, this creates a much more complete cleaning experience. Dirt and debris often accumulate around walls and water lines, and having a cleaner that can actively climb and scrub these areas helps maintain a cleaner-looking pool overall. The intelligent SmartArc navigation system is another key feature. Instead of moving randomly around the pool, the cleaner uses sensors and advanced movement algorithms to optimize its cleaning path. In practical usage, this improves cleaning efficiency and reduces the chances of missing sections of the pool. The cordless design is a huge convenience factor. In real-world usage, there are no cables dragging through the water, no tangling issues, and no complicated setup. You simply charge the cleaner, place it in the pool, and let it handle the cleaning process automatically. App connectivity adds another layer of convenience. Through the companion app, users can select cleaning modes, receive updates, and manage the cleaner more easily. While some pool owners may rarely use the app after setup, it is a useful feature for those who enjoy monitoring and customizing cleaning cycles. The 5 available cleaning modes provide flexibility depending on your pool's needs. Whether you want floor-only cleaning, wall cleaning, complete coverage, energy-saving operation, or maximum cleaning performance, the system gives you options that can be adjusted based on debris levels and pool conditions. Another practical feature is the automatic parking function. In real-world usage, when the cleaning cycle finishes or the battery becomes low, the cleaner moves closer to an accessible location near the waterline. This makes retrieval easier and eliminates the frustration of searching for a cleaner that stopped in the middle of the pool. Durability is also an important consideration for pool equipment. The Spino E1 is built with UV-resistant materials, waterproof protection, and compatibility with saltwater pools. In practical terms, this helps the unit withstand long-term outdoor exposure and varying pool environments. So should you buy it or not? If you're looking for a premium, cordless robotic pool cleaner with long runtime, wall climbing ability, waterline cleaning, app control, and intelligent navigation, then yes, this is a very attractive option. It offers many of the features pool owners typically want in a modern robotic cleaner. However, if you have a very small pool and only need occasional floor cleaning, a simpler and less expensive model may provide better value. Overall, the Spino E1 robotic pool cleaner is a feature-rich pool maintenance solution focused on automation, cleaning efficiency, and convenience. It is best suited for pool owners who want a near hands-free cleaning experience and are willing to invest in a more advanced robotic cleaner for long-term convenience.